Here we go.
All right, so this young lady, we're going to be restoring her lips. We can see that she's lost a little bit of volume. She's lost the lip roll. She has a little bit of indentation at the corners of her mouth. She has some vertical lines in the lips, uppers and lowers. So we're not going to give her Angelina Jolie lips. All we're going to do is we're going to give her a little bit of lip roll, help with those lines, and restore the definition, okay? And we just want to try to give her the lips that she used to have. We don't want to give her lips that don't belong to her. So she should be numb, and we're going to get started right now, okay? All right, here we go. How was that?
Great.
Okay. Beautiful. All right.
Did you like it?
Okay, just restoring that portion. Good. Look at that already. And people can come in closer if they want. I don't get claustrophobic. And you can see that we're in the central part of the lips. That's where you want to have most of the volume. And it doesn't take very much. This syringe that I'm injecting her with is 1/5 of a teaspoon of volume. That's it. Okay? So it doesn't take a lot. And we're using Restylane, which is the only stuff that's actually indicated by the FDA for lips. All right? Now we're going to put a little bit in here, and a little bit in the middle, a little bit in the middle, and a little bit over here. Good. Now we have to put some in the bottom, and the reason is we have to balance out the lips. The bottom lip should actually be bigger, taller than the upper lip by 30%. All right? That's actually what makes them look nice and natural. Okay. Look how great they look already. All right? And they don't look huge. They look like they belong on her face.
How long does it stay that way?
6 to 12 months. Okay? And you can see how well she's tolerating it. Now I'm going to help with a little bit of this corner of the mouth that she has, just to help turn up the corner of her mouth a little bit.
Months.
And we'll do a little bit right here. Look at that. She's responding fabulously. And that's almost the whole syringe. I'm going to put a little bit more in the middle, right here. All right. Now I'm going to do a little massage to even it out, make sure it's nice and smooth. Restylane is made from hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a natural substance. It's actually found in your body. It's clear, it's colorless. And so the way they make it is they take a bunch of prisoners and dissolve them in acid. I'm kidding. They grow in a test tube. They just grow in a test tube, okay? And it's actually the same stuff that's found in your body. Now, she's going to feel huge till tomorrow morning. She's going to feel huge, but she's not huge. You can see. I mean, that's 1/5 of a teaspoon in her lips. That's it. And they look fabulous. They really do.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, let's see. I have a little bit left. Let's see if we can have to balance anything out whatsoever. I don't think we do. Okay. It's always possible to have a little bruising the next day. If it happens, it's going to be in the red part of the lip, and you can just put a little makeup over it. The worst part of doing lips is this. You love your lips so much, you go out and spend $200 on new lipsticks and glosses. All right, so I'm going to use the rest of this, corners of her mouth, right here. And a little right here. All right. Now the other beauty of hyaluronic acids like Restylane is that they actually stimulate your body's own natural collagen, okay? So when this all wears off and your body reabsorbs it, your lips are better off than they were before because it's grown more collagen, okay? So, and like I said, this will last approximately 6 to 12 months. And everybody is different. We just did Botox on a young, or Dysport on a young woman who said it lasts her 6 months at a time, which is great. Okay. All right. Pretty good. Open. I'm going to put a little bit more, just a tiny bit at the very center, right there. And we're done.
Lovely.
Take off.
Yeah.
Now, take this and kiss it for a minute.